There's so many ways to make money online. One of the simplest methods of making money fast is to watch videos online. That's one of my favorite ways to earn some extra cash when I have the free time to do so. Today we're going to be looking at a website that will pay you $60 per hour by just watching videos. I've been using this website for quite a while now, and I wanted to say that it's surprisingly remarkable. So far I already receive up to $100 in my balance, and whenever I'm ready I can simply go ahead and cash out my money. I want you to consider this notion. If you watch an entire video for just 1 hour, you will approximately earn $40, and if you multiply 2 hours by 40, that's $80. If you watch a video for 3 hours, that's $120. And you can do this as many times as you like, and the best part is that it's completely free. Which means you don't need any money to sign up for an account. Therefore, I'll demonstrate how to set up a free account in this video, and then provide you with a number of ideas and advice. I'll also demonstrate which videos will provide you the most payouts. I'll also walk you through a practical example of how to do it. As a result, you may watch me accomplish it in this video step by step. Was there any endless potential? In a second. This video, which will play after this advertisement, will demonstrate how to watch it. I'll show you how to do precisely what these guys do to make a lot of money on this website every single day. View this 10-second ad, watch the video, and earn money repeatedly. Additionally, and this is very essential, you can earn money on this website for free in a variety of ways. You might first see advertisements and make money online. Second, you can also earn money by clicking on the clicks grid. This tactic is really nice. And as a bonus, I'll show you something at the conclusion of this video. So make sure you continue to look. But viewing videos is all that is prioritized now. As you can see, you can earn money just watching videos. For the time being, I just want to remind you to view the complete video in order to fully grasp the information and begin making money online. The first step is now. You will learn from me how to register for Slingbox for nothing. You can access the registration page by clicking this register button, which I want you to do now. You can see that you can now register on either your computer or your phone. Simply include your full name, username, password, and password confirmation as the general information. Do not forget to include your email address. Oh, and the second component, the payment account. You can receive your money in excellent or damaged condition by simply inputting your payment information, such as your PayPal email address, once you've logged into your PayPal account. You can also receive payment using additional payment options in this box, following your first login to your PayPal account. Thus, after everything is finished, you must finish the input, verification, and image. Anything. You've noticed this box. I'm going to click on this one right here right now. Click the register button after accepting the rules. The next step is now. You can watch a variety of advertisements and videos to make money online after logging into your account. As a result, you can see that this website currently features a wide variety of businesses. This means that there are many various ways for you to view everyday advertisements. Therefore, you can find several businesses over here that provide you brand new video advertising that you can watch to earn money online. However, the biggest issue that newcomers run into is that they are unsure of which business or video advertisement they should watch and concentrate on in order to maximize their earnings. So, the bonus tip I'll provide to those of you who are still watching is to focus on tiny advertisements. You can earn money online only by watching 10-second videos, which is why I want you to focus on this topic. As you can see, they'll change to a regular video after the video advertisement has played for 10 seconds. The only thing left to do is to keep watching and wait for the next video commercial to start. Then wait an additional 10 seconds, and you can make a lot of money. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up before we delve any further. Please leave a comment if you've enjoyed the video so far and if you found it useful and informative. We'd be interested in hearing your thoughts. Therefore, it's time to return to work and start making some money. I now want to share with you an extra tip. In fact, you can lower the video's loudness, as demonstrated here. To meet the video and increase the volume, simply click on this link. You may actually allow the video to play in the background by doing this, so you can pursue your own interests. Use a different browser to complete your other tasks. Therefore, this is a very effective approach for watching numerous videos at once. Therefore, if you own a PC or a phone, you can launch several browsers on various gadgets. Additionally, the likelihood that you may see video advertising increases as you watch more videos. And as you view the video for just 10 seconds, you could potentially earn money repeatedly. You'll see that anytime you view a video ad that will give you a lot of guaranteed income will always appear in front of it. When the video begins after you have finished watching the entire ad, you might learn about 2, 3, or even 4 video ads from a single video. Additionally, I'll give you another bonus tip, which is that you may generate a sizable amount of income from just one video. As you can see, there is a possibility to win up to $5 every time you click on one of these little boxes right here. Now all you have to do is select a random box and click it. For instance, as you can see, this box right here will load a random website. Now, all you have to do to avoid doing anything is to stay on this page for 10 seconds. So, if you're fortunate enough, you can make $5. Swing Grid Clone is actually quite simple to play, as you can see. You can win up to $5 in your account balance by simply clicking anywhere on the image and selecting whatever boxes you like. You must stay on a sponsor's website for up to 10 seconds after each click. Similar to what I've just demonstrated to you. As an illustration, clicking on this box will take you to a random website. As you can see, all you have to do to earn $5 is wait for 10 seconds and do nothing. As a result, you'll now see that clicks and the midnight server time are both reset every day after 12 AM. All of these boxes will now update, and you can click on them once more. So, using swing bucks in this way is another technique to make money. Again, this is how all of these people from different countries are able to earn money by viewing films. By using the steps I showed in this video, you can achieve the same results. Please check out my other videos if you enjoy similar content like this, and if you do, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.